I'm of the belief that stocks are on sale, particularly those centered around the building of the data centers for the hyperscalers. And I guess I believed up until this week that the purpose of all this was to give them the ability to sell us more product, to sell us more advertising, to hone in on what we wanted so that they could generate more income, more revenues for their businesses. I was dead wrong. I've been contacted by one of the hyperscalers that have said, we'd like to analyze your business and see if we can't host your website so that you can help people make better investment decisions. And what we're going to do is hire a company and give that company so much money to work with you and to come up with a business plan and a structure that can be hosted on our data centers. And then we can create a website that will share the information that you're doing on your current website about the best stocks to buy at any given time. And maybe we can upgrade it so that we give you avatars that answer them questions or any questions that they might have about a particular stock or an investment that they have. And so that you can become a source for making better investment decisions, and we can host it for you. And I ask, why would you do that? Why would they want to do that? Because I'm working with a third party at this point, and their answer was they're building these data centers to process data through compute, and they need customers. And they see you, Kerry, and Best of Us investors, as a potential customer from this point on. And if you have a TAM, as you said, and I said, something in the neighborhood of 66 million people are searching for information as to how to make better investment and financial decisions. They said, you have a business that could grow exponentially. You're going to need a lot of compute, and we got a lot of compute for sale. That's where they're going. That's what they're trying to do. So I believe that I'm one of the few people, and when I say few, they have these agents that are contacting companies like me and saying, let us help you. And I come to them and say, well, that's going to be expensive to build that out. And they say, don't worry about it. If, in fact, we determine you're going to need the compute that we think you're going to need, we'll pay to get you up and running, because what we want then is a lifelong relationship with you for you buying compute for us so that you can deliver better investment decisions to the masses. They're going to do this not only in finance, they're going to do it in education, medical help. They're going to dispense like a utility all the knowledge in the world, and they need somebody to sell it to you. And it looks like I may have been chosen. So with that in mind, knowing that's coming and knowing the path I'm on, I want to help you today. And that is to tell you there are some stocks that are on crazy sale right now. We started this program where I had Samantha and Bard advising me and analyzing stocks. We started it in the 1st of May. And our portfolio through the 1st of November grew by 124%. That's in 6 months. Now, since it's pulled back 20%, which is kind of okay because we're still up 100% from where we were in the 1st of May. But what I want to share with you today is that there are some stocks that are going to give you some exponential returns over the next 6 months, over the next year. And I've made a list of them. They're on my tell sheet. You'll come to the tell sheet and you'll see several data centers that are that are projected in 2027 to go from the price they are today to 97% a year from now. Another one that supplies the switches that allows the servers inside the data centers to speak to each other. It's down today, and it's projected to have a 76% rate of return. And then there's another data center area. They're projected to be 85% over the next year, 122% over the next 3 years. So the message is, as the thumbnail shows, from Samantha is telling me there's a gift that you can have before Christmas, and it's in these stocks. Now, I'm not going to use the ticker symbols, and I know that frustrates some of you, but I just want to tell you, it's free. For 14 days, you can, between now and Christmas, you can come to my website and look under the column that says 2027 projected ROI and go down there and find the ones that are 76, 97, 65, 64, 85. It's free. But what I want to do is just like what they're trying to do with me, is make it so good for you, you want to stay. That's the package that this hyperscaler is presenting me. We will pay the people to do the analysis of your current business, $15,000. When they bring it back to us, this is the hyperscaler, we will then decide whether or not we want to build it out and put it on our hosting position. We will fund you up to $125,000 to get you in place to work on our platform. Well, what do you want from us for it? Nothing. Do you want us to sign a long-term contract? No. We're quite sure that if we get you there and you have that quality of product to provide to the 66 million people in the world who manage their own stock portfolios, we're quite sure you're going to stay. And we're quite sure we will take you to the next step of AI. We will totally avatar your site. We will give your patrons the ability to ask any question they want and get an immediate answer because we own the compute. You're up to speed now. That's what's happening. But right now, stocks are on sale because most of the world does not know this. They think they're just building that compute out so that Amazon can sell you more products. I buy everything from Amazon already so that Meta can sell you more advertising, so that Google can sell you more advertising, make more videos for you on YouTube. No, so that Microsoft can sell you more business and enterprise software. No, that's not what it's all about. It's about empowering people like me. It's like Mark Cuban said 60 days ago. There's a dude in his basement that understands AI who's going to become the next trillionaire. I'm in my basement. I'm a dude. And there are thousands of other dudes. There are thousands. There's another Mark Zuckerberg. There's another Bill Gates. There's another Steve Allen that is saying, this is where I'm going. This is what I understand. And these people are ready to sell me a utility. It's going to be just like water. It's going to be like electricity. In order to get our world electrified, they had to give it away. They had to light the streets so the people would say, I'd like to have that in my house. They had to give the internet away so that you could have your own email address. And look where it has gone from there. If Google hadn't given you that first search free, they wouldn't be Google today. If Mark Zuckerberg had not allowed you to put your pictures on his website, Facebook, for free, he would not be the fourth richest man in the world. That's how they do business. They create a utility and then they addict you to it. They're going to put me in, they're going to put me on the street corner, and I'm going to be a peddler of their utility because it's going to make you a better investor. So come see what your Christmas gifts are today, and then I'll keep you up to date on what tomorrow is going to look like. Have a Merry Christmas. I'll probably talk to you again between now and then, but I think this is the best gift I can give you. And I think it just might be the best gift you will ever receive because it will empower you to become wealthy.